What's up, guys? It's your girl Matt Cox with Maccouture Crafting, and we are doing another segment. So yes, this year the channel will be comprised of certain things that you can just look forward to. On one of the days in the week, either Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, you will be getting a Notions for Notions. And I think it's going to be Wednesday. I think it's going to be like a Wednesday's Notions thing. Notion for Notions. That is the segment. I buy a lot of Notions. I mean, tons and tons and tons. I mean, you guys see what I buy the things. I am a buyer of the things. Some things I feel like I need to tell you guys about. Maybe I need to tell you guys about all the things that I buy. Why not, right? I'm buying them anyway. Some stuff is exceptional. Some stuff works out better than others. I use a lot of things. So, Notions for Notions. This week is the Annie Stiletto. I've talked about it before. We are starting fresh from here on out, 2023. And then next year, I might be talking about the same notions. If it's good, it's good. I don't know what to tell you, but the Annie Stiletto is a different kind of stiletto. There are many stilettos on the market. I wish I had one, but it's raining and I'm not going to go where it is to get it. So here's a picture of the stiletto. There's something different about this stiletto. When you get down to the tip of the metal part, it has grooves. And it's almost like a screwdriver, and it holds fabric better than other stilettos. Yes, I have a purple thing. Yes, I have stilettos galore, tons of pokey things. But for whatever reason, the Annie Stiletto just works out better. And then on the opposite end, you have a wooden pressing iron, which I sometimes use, sometimes don't. But if you need to, and I often do, I mean, I have long nails, and so I have to have tools that make things easier. And you might have other issues and things and whatnot, but my tools have to be able to do the job. And that Annie Stiletto is absolutely one of them. I can push the fabric right up to the needle and not worry about my fingers getting caught. It grabs fabric better. It's just that good. I feel like it's a little on the expensive side, but once you get it and you start using it, it's a difference. I've got a girlfriend who was like, what? It's expensive. I'm like, yeah, I know, I get it. However, it's worth it. She started using it. She was like, you're right. She said, so random. I was like, I know, right? But it's something that you need to know. Annie Stiletto. If you would like to support the channel, you can get it from one of my affiliate links down below. I might have some links that are not affiliated. I might have some that are affiliated. You know, they give me a few pennies. I need a few pennies here and there, right? But again, the Annie Stiletto is worth your time. It is worth the extra money. Only thing about it that kind of scares me is that there's no cap for it. I think there's a safety cap that comes with it, but it's sharp, so be careful. I just put it in my sewing station area. I just keep it needle down all the time. If you're putting it in something, make sure you put it needle down, because it's very, very sharp, and it doesn't have a little top on it, which is the only thing I wish that it had, was like a little case that it goes in. But other than that, guys, the Annie Stiletto. Check it out. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.